Yo, what up, dude?
Hi, Salomon. How you doing? You good?
Yeah, just chilling. It's been a minute.
Yeah, do you have time to meet up right now?
Yeah, you want to meet up right now?
Right now.
Oh, okay, yeah, I'm down.
Okay,
Just
let's meet under the South
shit.
Pass Bridge.
At the river.
Yeah, by the river.
All right, dude, yeah, I'll be out in a sec. All right, I'll hit you up in a little.
I'll see you soon.
All right, peace.
Since I had left Wknd, Grant and I had been in touch a bit, but nothing like a midnight meetup under a bridge. I had no idea what I was walking into.
I mean, what was I supposed to do? He had quit the company. He knew too much. He had our shape codes, all our spot pins, the list goes on and on. He basically left me no choice.
You might be asking yourself how. Well, this Spitfire T3 skate tool is made of steel. So, when Grant shot me in the chest, the Spitfire T3 skate tool absorbed the bullet. It was this rock that caused head trauma, and a concussion strong enough to put me out until now. I knew I was alive, but that was about all I knew. I had no recollection of who I was or where I was. I could only remember how to put my one foot in front of the other. So, that's what I did. As far as I knew, I was alone on a strange planet. I had almost given up until I came across two angels. To this day, I have no idea who those two men were, but I know they saved my life. Although they couldn't go with me, they showed me the best route back home. Shortly into my journey, I realized something. I don't even know what home is. Either way, I struck land and got a job as a janitor. Yeah, I was back to being a member of society. But what does this mean if you don't know who you really are? Memories started coming back to me. Good ones. Hell, some of the best memories ever. But those all seemed to stop with one vision of some bad advice from a tall tale.
I mean, dude, I get it. They're your friends. It's going good. But hear me out. I got a plan. It'll make you so popular. It's 100%, I think, so just trust me.
And this seemed to close that chapter. It was all coming back to me in a rush, and just like that, I could remember the 5 big W's. Who, what, where, when, and Wknd.
A new guy.
I learned if you have a feeling, go for it. Always.
What happened?
You shot me in the chest.
That's my fault.
But why?
I had to. But I'm willing to take another shot. If you are.
I'm down.